So Lydia, when I was trying to teach myself programming, do you have any advice for people trying to teach themselves to program other than going to Stack Overflow? Well, there's a lot of fun games. I think games are really the answer. If you look at a lot of programmers, they got into programming through being gamers, and they wanted to change the game, to modify the game, write their own games. And I think that's such a great window into programming because it's fun. It's not, I must learn programming. It's like, well, I have a puzzle to solve, and it's interesting to me because I love this game. Hopefully, and I think Minecraft is an excellent example of this. All the Minecraft mods that are out there. I think the deeper you get into Minecraft, the more you're like, okay, this isn't just a board game where the man created the rules. It's like, well, we create the rules. We can do whatever we want with this game. And I think that's the right mindset to have as a programmer. It's like you are changing the rules of the game. You might be playing someone else's game, some other program that they wrote, but you want to change the behavior or create a plugin for it. And I think those are great windows into becoming a programmer. It's like, first figure out something you enjoy that's kind of fun, and figure out how to change it and modify it and add to it. And that is much more collaboratively what programmers do. There's not a whole lot of sitting from first principles, writing brand new code from scratch. It's kind of a myth that that's what programmers do. It's usually, you're almost always modifying someone else's code or working with someone else's code, or working with an environment that you didn't create. So I think the sooner you figure that out and try working within those environments, you're closer to a real world programming experience. So yeah, so I hope that helped. So I'm gonna finish the Q&A now. Thank you for doing this, everybody. Thank you everybody who showed up, and I appreciate it, and I hope these answers were useful and interesting, and nothing else, you got a good view of my front yard. So thanks everybody, and I'll see you online. Bye.